Here's the truth about Iranian sleeper cells. As a former CIA officer, I'm going to tell you pretty much what's going on. So I've had a lot of subscribers say, hey Jason, now that the US has taken out the Iranian nuclear facilities, now that we've bombed them, like, what is the biggest threat from Iran right now? And the biggest threat from Iran is definitely by far the Iranian sleeper cells that are inside the United States. So every foreign intelligence service in the country, every foreign intelligence service in the world has obviously foreign intelligence operatives in the United States. So all of our adversaries and many of our non-adversaries too. So Iran, China, Russia, North Korea, Cuba, et cetera, right? These Iranian sleeper cells, they are prepared, they're practiced, and their goals are taking out the electrical grid, their goals are taking out water treatment facility, and doing suicide bombings in major cities, obviously New York, LA, again, et cetera, right? So that is the biggest threat. Now, here's what I'm hoping for and why they haven't done it yet, is Iran is so far being smart, not poking the bear. So Japan underestimated the United States after they bombed Pearl Harbor, and they found out the hard way what happens when you mess with the United States of America. Same thing with Osama bin Laden company. As a lot of people around the world and a lot of countries around the world still underestimate the might in the will of the United States of America. For some reason, it doesn't make any sense, but they do. And so right now, Iran, yes, they could easily unleash these sleeper cells. They could easily have the suicide bombers go to various cities and blow themselves up. But right now, they're saying, well, we've lost our nuclear facilities, but they haven't obliterated us. And they know that if they poke the bear, if they activate and send out all these foreign intelligence operatives across the United States, they will poke the bear, and the United States will come down with the full might, they will just obliterate them. So I'm hoping that Iran keeps that in mind, and the leadership doesn't want to be totally wiped off the face of the earth, because that is what's going to happen if they do it. Now, on the flip side, or on the other side, you've got Russia and China. So what are Russia and China doing? They're saying to Iran, like, yeah, go do it. Come on, like, man up. Don't whip out. Go do it. I've got 7 kids. So the other day, my kids and I were at a park, right? My 3-year-old son was up at some big platform, and it was too high for him to jump. And I kept saying, do not jump, Wade. It's too high for you, buddy. You're going to hurt yourself. Do not jump. And my 5-year-old son was sitting there, and what was he doing? Like, jump, Wade, jump. Come on, Wade, jump, jump. Well, that is what China and Russia are doing right now to Iran, saying, come on, do it, do it. Now, China and Russia are smart enough not to poke the bear of the U.S., but of course they don't really care about Iran. They want them to poke them because they want us to be in the war. They want us to have to take resources and focus away from China and Russia to do that. So obviously, I hope that nothing happens. I hope that they do not unleash these sleeper cells, but that is our biggest threat right now. And if you want to know how to be prepared for this threat, highly recommend, and obviously I'm biased because I wrote it, get my book, Crisis Proof. It is the ultimate bug in and bug out Bible. If you go to crisisproofbook.com, you'll see the full details. It's how I prepare my wife and 7 kids for a crisis, my food storage, water storage, that whole 9 yards. There's no other book like it out there that gives you that level of detail. So again, stay prepared. Keep preparing no matter what. Stay safe and go to crisisproofbook.com. God bless you.